Blocking someone on Apple Pay can help you manage your transactions and ensure your financial security. Follow these steps to block a contact on Apple Pay. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you manage your Apple Pay settings and transactions. Step 2. Access your Apple Pay card. Tap on your Apple Pay card or the card you use for transactions. This will take you to the card details where you can manage settings. Step 3. Find transaction history. Scroll down to find your recent transactions. Here, you can see all the payments made through Apple Pay. Step 4. Select the contact. Locate the transaction related to the person you want to block. Tap on the transaction to view more details about it, including the contact information. Step 5. Block the contact. Look for the option to block or remove the contact. This may be labeled as block this user or something similar. Confirm your choice to block the contact from sending you money or making transactions. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone on Apple Pay and protect your financial interactions. If you have any further questions, consider checking Apple's support resources for more detailed guidance.